what's up? How are you? I'm great. Awesome. So today we're going to be doing my straight hair nighttime routine and also how I keep my hair fairly straight. I do plan on keeping it nice and straight for at least a month. At this point, it has been a little over 2 weeks. I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my hair at night. I'm going to talk to you about some things that I do to keep it nice and straight during this month. And that's it. So yes, my hair has been straight for about a little over 2 weeks, and it looks pretty decent to me. Now, honestly, I don't take my hair down every single day. I do work from home, so on a daily basis, most days I don't go anywhere. So I do keep my hair wrapped up from the night before, unless I like go out, and I do think that is helping it to stay straighter. I do go outside a lot because I have a dog, and the weather is getting nicer. So, you know, when you're active and you're outside in the sun, sometimes you get a little sweaty. I'm trying very hard not to sweat a lot or at all if I can. So yeah, so when I go outside, I wear a hat, I wear a cap. So I just keep my scarf on, I have a hat on. When I shower, I still have my scarf on. What I do is, I used to wear like a shower cap or some kind of like plastic, cap. My head gets hot and then I start to sweat. So what I have been doing, I've just been wearing one of those like microfiber towels, like one of those turbans. And I'll just put that over my scarves and I get in the shower and I just wear that. I feel like my scalp is getting a little bit dry, and then my ends are a tiny bit dry, so I am going to add some oil to my hair today. Do not do that. I don't want my hair to get overly oily or like more flat than it already is. So I don't do this every single day. Just like whenever I feel like my hair needs a little bit of moisture. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit of jojoba oil and put it on my fingertips and kind of massage my scalp. I do not oil my hair or my scalp every single night because I don't want it to get oily, and I don't want to cause a lot of buildup on my scalp because, you know, I'm obviously not going to be washing my hair for a month. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of coconut oil and add it to my ends, like the smallest, tiniest bit. And I feel like this is even too much. We'll see. No, I think it's good. So I'm just gonna add it to my ends. So at night, I do wrap my hair. I just do like the old school doobie wrap. I just take my big paddle brush, and my hair, for some reason, it has not forgot how to be wrapped. So it's pretty easy and it stays pretty well, so I don't have to use like any bobby pins or clips. But if your hair tends to fall or not want to stay in the wrap position, you can definitely get some bobby pins or some clips to help it stay in place until you get your scarf on. And then I just take my scarf. I need to get a silk scarf. This is just one of those from Target. I think they're like silk-ish, satin-ish. And I wrap it around my hair, and then I just, I tie it around in the back, kind of like low in the back. And then what I do to make sure there's like no like weird lumps and bumps inside, I just pull my fingers through just to smooth it out. So there aren't any weird lumps or bumps, because if you don't make sure of that, your hair will have weird bends when you go to take it down in the morning. Now, if I was to go to bed with this on my head, I would wake up with an afro because this would fall off at night. So I have been wearing 2 scarves. So I just tie my second scarf on top, and that's it. So that is my straight hair routine. That is how I keep my hair fairly straight for at least a month. While I am enjoying this, I probably will only keep it straight for about a month. My scalp will be on fire if I go any longer than that. Let me know if you guys have any tips or tricks for keeping your hair straight in the comment section below. Don't forget to do all the things you're supposed to do here on YouTube, like subscribe, like, well, or if you don't like, you could just if you want to, you can. I'm just gonna put my hand down. Also, follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm most active. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!